Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be giving you the answer to this question, that is how much is YouTube TV Premium. So as you can see that currently I'm on tv.youtube.com and over here the YouTube TV offers one main membership plan that is plus other plans and add-ons. So the base plan includes over 100 channels and unlimited DVR space for $82.99 per month. The 4K plus add-on priced at $9.99 per month that offers ultra high definition streaming, offline downloads and unlimited multiple streams at home. Now currently a new offer is going on YouTube TV, in which you are going to get YouTube TV for just $69.99 per month for the first 6 months. So it will be your saving of $78 for the 6 months, and this offer will end on March 31st. So if you are interested in this offer and this in this plan, you can just simply hop on to YouTube TV and you can just simply subscribe for this plan. You are also going to get 10-day free trial, so you can even sign up for the free trial. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.